Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avelash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of USD CAD, US dollar, Canadian dollar for Monday. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like Euro USD, GBP USD, Gold USD and many more. So let's get started. So this is the Forex chart of DXY US dollar. Yes, before I proceed, I would like to talk about the chart of DXY first. After the NFP, there was a heavy selling on US dollar. Pairs like USD CAD, USD CHF, USD JPY witnessed selling, whereas pairs like Gold, GBP USD, Euro USD, they all started going up because of the heavy selling on the DXY. But DXY closed at 75.93, and if you have watched my videos, then you know it very well that this is a very critical support zone for US dollar because this level has been providing support to the market for quite some time. So right now market is in the support zone. As a result, there is a good possibility for DXY bouncing from this present level. After the market opening on Monday, if we see some selling on DXY, then also we have a very strong support at 95.50. So overall, if we consider the trend of the market, which is sideways, and the present support level, then there is a good possibility for US dollar taking a bounce from this level right now. So if dollar gives a good bounce from this present level, then obviously we are going to witness some buying on USD CAD. Okay, and I would like to mention that apart from the DXY, we also have impact on the USD CAD chart from the oil chart. Okay, probably I have discussed the impact of oil on the Canadian dollar few of my videos. Okay, anyways, let's get back to the chart of USD CAD. So just like the DXY, US dollar, USD CAD is also in a very critical level here. Closed there 1.2643. This is the last traded price, and you can see that we have a support here. We have a horizontal support at this level. But generally, in a market condition like this, it is not advisable to take buy at this level because see, if you just try to understand the market emotion here, then you can easily see that though we have a support, but still there is heavy selling going on in the market right now. So considering the heavy selling in the market, this taking a buy position in this level is very risky. But we have this weekend, market has closed, so things may change, and if the XY bounces, good possibility of market bouncing from this level, because apart from the horizontal support here, we also have the Fibonacci 50% retracement level here. And if I zoom in, you can see when after this big fat red candle, when market touched this level, there was there was a small reversal also. So I'm hopeful that if dollar gives us the support, then yes, we can take a buy position on the chart of USD CAD here. And I think we also have a divergence here as well. So if we consider all these factors, I think that we have a upcoming buy position on USD CAD chart. Let's hope for the best, but in case it breaks the level and starts going down, then obviously we cannot take any buy. And if the sell is extreme, then we can consider selling. But my dear friend, be careful. I'll be coming down on Monday and I'll tell you, okay, what should be your next strategy. Till then, do do not take any impulsive decision, and till then just hope that market will bounce on the support and we can take a buy. Okay, and whatever you do, please follow proper risk management, because see, my dear friend, this is my analysis. I can be wrong as well. For my analysis, you should not be losing your half of your capital, full capital. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. And my dear friends, if you're new to trading, then please watch the small course that I have uploaded on the YouTube channel in the form of a playlist. I have uploaded around 30 to 33 videos. I think that would be very helpful for you. Bye bye, take care, see you on Monday.